today.
I think they're good.
Hey, Anthony, Tia said you can go farther in the water if you want. Ready? Quinn, are those loud? What do those airplanes say? What do they sound like? Wow! Look at that guy. These guys are crazy. Joshua, where are you going?
I got like a rickshaw or something.
Where are you going, dude?
Me.
Why? Because what?
I'm getting rocks in my shoes.
You what?
I'm getting rocks in my shoes.
So you don't want to walk around? You want me to hold you the whole time? You go sit right there on the rocks.
No.
Why?
Because I'm getting my floor getting wet.
No, on the dry rocks.
Yeah, put those down.
Sydney,
Put them down. Yeah, that's
as far as you go.
Those aren't just rocks. Like,
Oh yeah?
that guy's gonna seriously just tow them all the way over.
Just don't get.
Don't worry, babe. We'll go after. Look at Sid. Wow. What'd you say? Hey.
Yeah.
Look at me. You don't splash people. What'd you say? What'd you say about being loud? Go sit over there, babe. Go sit over there. Joshua, it's not loud anymore, dude. Whoa, look at that guy. Holy moly. Joshua, look at that guy. Look at this. Hold you. You're too wet. I don't even know where he went. Yeah, hang on, bud. I don't even know where he went.
I do not know what it is.
Sydney? Put those rocks down. Don't touch me, Joshua. Turn around. Look, buddy, there's 5 of them. Stand up, Joshua. Look at Sid. That is crazy. What do you want me to do?
For me.
Uh-oh.
Can you please help me?
Sydney, be careful with that. Do not throw it. Let go of that, please, Ben. Sydney, that's too far. Think they're gonna come back?
For me.
Hold you, why?
Because I do not want to make some chips.
Okay.
But they're gonna move right now.